Zonus Workforce Management is a local platform which helps the utilities for the maintenance part. The utilities can tracking for uninstallation, installation, from the warehouse going to the field, and after the install, and also they can calculate what's happening for these assets. How many assets are installed based on the plan which the managers already they define in this platform, and also give you the report and the dashboard as a KPI to understand exactly per day per your plan how many meters are installed. So that is absolutely flexible and also is beneficial for the utilities to understand about the assets.